What you want to do for the first part to download and install the VirtualBox, you want to click on the link virtualbox.org right here, and then you're gonna be redirected to VirtualBox website. And what you want to do is you want to download the platform package for Windows host. So just click on Windows host link, and then it's gonna start to download VirtualBox. After the download is done, what you want to do is you want to double click and you want to press next, next. Make sure all the boxes are checked, and then go next and yes, install. And then the last step is to click and finish.